Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Benefits of baby blowing raspberries. Infants make the giggle-inducing bubbling sound with their lips and tongue, known as blowing raspberries. When do babies start blowing raspberries? Babies begin blowing bubbles around 2 months of age. By the 6th month, your little one will blow bubbles, making raspberry sounds and drooling. Why do babies blow bubbles? Blowing spit bubbles helps prepare the baby for future developmental milestones like chewing, drinking, and talking. How does blowing raspberries benefit a baby? Here are the benefits of blowing raspberries for babies. 1. Babbling. Blowing bubbles results in babbling, which helps in the language development and speaking abilities of the baby. 2. Encourages bonding. Babies often blow raspberries to interact with their parents, which helps to improve the bonding between them. 3. Facial muscle workout. Blowing raspberries helps the baby exercise the muscles needed for independent lip movement, separate from the jaw and tongue. 4. Helps in teething. The excess saliva produced when a baby blows bubbles helps soften the gums, thus preparing them for the arrival of the first tooth. 5. Understand cause and effect. When a baby blows raspberries, they check for the reaction of the people around them and act amused or giggle after you respond to them blowing raspberries. Ways to encourage your baby to blow raspberries. 1. Imitate every little sound that your baby makes. Try adding new sounds to the conversation and pause to see if the baby mimics you. 2. Help your baby make a rolling sound by rubbing your finger on their tiny lips. 3. Gently blow raspberries on the baby's arm or belly to help them understand how it is done. 4. Pretend play with the baby and make them use toy phones to help them babble or talk. 5. Engage the baby's sound and sight skills for better understanding. Recite rhymes that involve hand movements while singing. 6. Sing along to familiar songs and let your baby watch your lips as they move. Spit bubbles are actually a workout for your little one's mouth, so encourage your child to blow raspberries.